Hi friends, now I am going to make you video for the class 12th differentiation of uh, inverse trigonometric function, that is exercise 10C from the R.S. Agarwal. So first of all we must have to write all the 6 formula of inverse trigonometric function. So d by dx of sine inverse x is equal to 1 by under root x square minus 1. D by dx of cos inverse x is equal to 1 by under root x square minus 1 minus d by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. D by dx of sec inverse x is equal to 1 by x under root x square minus 1. And d by dx of cosec inverse x is equal to minus 1 by x under root x square minus 1. These are the 6 formula of inverse trigonometric function. Now based upon that we are going to solve a few questions from the R.S. Agarwal. Like y is equal to sine inverse 2x. So it is a function of function. How? Because sine inverse 2x depend upon 2x depend upon x. So this can be written as dy by dx of 1 by under root 1 minus 2x whole square, because the formula is 1 by under root 1 minus x square into 2. Why 2? Because differentiation of 2x is 2. Okay. Now y is equal to cos inverse cot x. Okay. So what is the formula for cos inverse x? Here cos in x is replaced by cot x. So dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus cot x whole square into, why into? Because we have still right to differentiation of cot x, and differentiation of cot x is minus cosec square x. So final answer is cosec square x upon under root 1 minus cot square x. So if you know the function of function, if you know the differentiation of chain rule, then you will be able to understand this one. Now differentiation of y is equal to sec tan inverse x. So here sec tan inverse x is depend upon tan inverse x, and tan inverse x is depend upon x. So we can write dy by dx is equal to, first of all, differentiation of sec theta. So it is sec tan inverse x into tan inverse x into, what is the differentiation of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Now dy by dx is equal to sec tan inverse x into, this becomes x by the property of inverse trigonometric function, so x upon 1 plus x square. Now you have to convert this also in terms of x. How can you do that? So consider sec tan inverse x and let tan inverse x is equal to theta. So value of x becomes tan theta. So see, tan theta is x. So what is the value of sec theta? Because this is whole theta. So you know sec theta is equal to 1 plus, I think I am writing wrong thing. Sec theta is equal to tan square theta minus 1 under root, or this is x square minus 1. So therefore now our answer is dy by dx is equal to under root x square minus 1 upon, not upon, x into 1 plus x square. Sec theta, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. I think I have written wrong here. This is plus 1, this is plus 1, this is also plus 1. Now this one cancel out. So final our answer is x by under root 1 plus x square. So dy by dx is equal to x by under root 1 plus x square. Okay. Take another question like cot cos inverse x. Y is equal to cot cos inverse x. So what is differentiation of cot theta? Minus cosec square theta. So it can be written as dy by dx as minus cosec square theta into differentiation of cos inverse x minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Okay, now this is equal to what we have to do, we must convert this one as in x. So if I consider for dx, let cos inverse x is equal to theta, so x is equal to cos theta, so sin theta is equal to under root 1 minus x square, or cosec theta is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square, and we need cosec square theta. So the value of cosec square theta is 1 by 1 minus x square. Put this one here. So finally our answer is dy by dx is equal to minus into 1 by 1 minus x square into minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. So the answer is 1 minus x square ke power 3 by 2. This is the final answer. Now another question. Y is equal to e to the power tan inverse root x. Tan inverse root x. So dy by dx is equal to e to the power tan inverse root x, as e to the power x differentiation e to the power x into, now differentiation of tan inverse root x 1 by 1 plus root x whole square into differentiation of root x 1 by 2 root x. Three functions is there. So now the final answer is e power tan inverse root x upon 2 root x into 1 plus x. Now come to the another topic, that is differentiation by trigonometric transformation. differentiation by trigonometric transformation. So in this topic we have to must remind some of the formula as 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x, 1 minus cos x as 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x, 1 plus cos x is equal to 2 cos square x by 2, or 1 minus cos 2x upon 1 minus cos 2x is equal to tan square x, or 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x is equal to tan square x by 2. And then sin 2x in terms of tan x as sin 2x is equal to 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x, or sin x is equal to 2 tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. Likewise, cos 2x is equal to 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x, or cos x is equal to 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is sin in terms of tan x. Then another one you can also remind here, like tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus xy. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Now, if a square minus x square is there, if a square plus x square is there, if x square minus a square is there, or if a minus x is there, then how can you substitute? So x can be substituted by a sin theta or a cos theta. Here x is substituted by a tan theta or a cot theta. Here x is substituted by a sec theta or a cosec theta. Or here x is substituted by a cos 2 theta or a cos theta. Why? Because 1 minus sin square theta, you know, this is the format on that formula. 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus cot square theta, these are the formula. Then sec square theta minus 1, cosec square theta minus 1, and then 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, and then easily we can break the square root and take out. So this thing you must keep in your mind. Also, you must remind in your mind that cos x plus sin x is nothing but tan pi by 4 minus x, or cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x is tan pi by 4 plus x. Okay. Now 1 plus sin x, it can be written as 1 plus cos 90 minus x, and can be written as 2 cos square pi by 4 minus x by 2. Likewise 1 minus sin x can be written as 1 minus cos pi by 2 minus n and can be written as 2 sine square pi by 4 minus x by 2. So these things you must keep in your mind while solving the question. I'm going to take some question. So first, differentiate y is equal to tan inverse 1 minus cos x upon sin x. So first of all, you simplify it on the basis of inverse trigonometric function chapter, and then after you differentiate. So this is tan inverse. Formula of 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2, 2 cancel out, sin cancel out. So this is tan inverse sin x by 2 cos x by 2. This is tan inverse tan x by 2. This is equal to x by 2. Now the question is y is equal to x by 2. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. Simple. So in this exercise, every question is from the inverse trigonometric function. And the main motto is you go through the question and simplify it by the help of inverse trigonometry, and then you, in the last step, differentiate the given value of y. You got your answer. If you know inverse trigonometric function, you know this exercise how to solve the question. It's directly depend upon inverse trigonometric function. Okay. Like if y is equal to under root 1 plus sin x, under root 1 minus sin x, under root 1 plus sin x minus under root 1 minus sin x, and this is of course cot inverse y is equal to. So then we have to prove that, then you have to find the value of dy by dx. So first of all, you must know that 1 plus sin x can be written as sin square x by 2 cos square x by 2, 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2, or sin x by 2 plus cos x by 2 whole square. Now this is equal to cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2. This is the value of 1 plus sin x. Similarly, the value of 1 minus sin x is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. If you add both, then what happened? 1 plus sin x plus root 1 minus sin x, you get 2 cos x by 2. If you subtract both, then you are getting 2 sin x by 2. If you divide both of them, 1 plus sin x plus under root 1 minus sin x upon under root 1 plus sin x minus root 1 minus sin x, then it is sin x by 2, cos x by 2 by sin. It becomes cot x by 2. So finally put the value of this one as a cot x by 2. Okay. So now the value of y is, it becomes y is equal to cot inverse cot x by 2 or y is equal to x by 2 or dy by dx is equal to 1 by 2. So thank you for today's video class. I can meet you in next video session.